Well, Priya, we have completely done a bottom-up, development of the new A series. The new A series comes with 5 new things, which makes it flagship-like. First, it's an all-new A series design. You see a great these brush metal finish. You see the new A series to be extremely slim, and the new camera decor. Second, we have democratized the intelligence, which is an AI feature. So all the A series will come with awesome intelligence. Third, it's extremely durable. It comes with Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. Fourth, the camera is outstanding there. And 5, is a 6 years of OS upgrade what we have been able to pack in. So this A series is completely new. Well, what we want to learn every day and try to do something very new for the consumers. Now, if you see what we have been able to pivot this year is right from launching S25, which opens a new era of AI with the human-like intelligence. We are democratizing AI to A series. We have launched entry-level A06, F06 phone, which again comes with no compromise for the consumers when it in terms of 12 bands or 25 watts. So we want to work harder and make things available for the consumer to stand with them to do what they can't and to help them to do more. Well, at Samsung we have this big story called Galaxy of Possibilities. If I can make a creator create, if I can make a gamer play, if I can make a student learn, and if I can make a teacher teach, I think our job is done. So that's our core priority to, open new possibilities for the consumers. Well, a young-minded Indian consumer, millennial, who want to do more with their life, this is the device they're looking for.